It's all a bluff. It's sad you never thought I was good enough, but I called you Asia Kingdom and it's all a bluff. I've been thinking, 'cause I don't wanna waste my precious time. Always looking for the next best thing. Do it on your own this time around. So all you lucky ones, what up? You're always on the run, what up? I mean, don't get me wrong, but what up? Or was I not the one you dreamt of? No, 'cause the life we live will never be enough. Why don't you stop for a minute? Just relax yourself. This moment.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning into my video. So today I will be telling you guys about this unit I have on. It's a cute little bob unit and she is called EVERY1 and I have her in a color DRFF, what is it? DRFF 425.99J. And I ordered her from Sam's Beauty and I paid, I think, $20.99, so like $21 plus shipping and handling. And yeah, so this is like what you would consider an everyday wig, like a plop and go wig. You don't have to do the bald cap method. You don't have to do spraying it down. I actually just put her on. I left out my edges on the perimeter and I literally just put this wig on in like 2 seconds. And then I use my concealer, which is always this Fit Me in the color 312. And I put that in the parting space, which it does go back about like 5 inches from here to here. And she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. She does have lace from ear to ear. And they said it come with baby hairs, but no, I would not consider baby hairs on this unit at all. Like, there's no way, because the lace is literally like this big from the perimeter, so there's no way you can put like baby hairs down on this unit. Oh, and it comes in a lot of different colors as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you real quick what I think about this wig, honestly. And my opinion is that you get what you pay for. I mean, it's an everyday wig. It feels cheap. Like, I know it's $21, but it just doesn't have that quality that I'm used to. It's very silky. I don't think it will tangle because it's short, so it's not like the long silky wigs that tangle up real easily, but it is really short. So it just has that like Barbie doll texture, baby doll hair texture. It doesn't feel good. I did put some dry shampoo on it and just to kind of like eliminate the shine because it was super shiny. And yeah, and I really don't recommend putting heat on this unit. I wouldn't do that at all. But let me give you guys a really quick 360. I'm just gonna turn around. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the side. It's really cute. It has a little angle. I see what they were going for, you know, and if bobs are your thing, then I mean, this would be a good fit for you. Personally, in my opinion, I don't like short hair, but I wanted to try something a little bit different because every video on my page is long hair or maybe like shoulder length hair, but I don't do anything that's chin length like this. So, but I do think it's cute. I probably won't wear it again, but I do think it's cute. So if anyone actually tried this unit before, let me know what you guys think about it. Yeah, so that's all I have to say about this unit. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this unit and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one.